The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, Equal to the End of the Sky, Part 6. It does not engage in the ways of certainty and uncertainty. It has no designation and is not connected to definite words. In its freedom from identity with letters, there is an unerring path toward understanding how it is. And there is the path where we are either certain or uncertain about what is real. They are the same and abide no differences, but when we take the aspect of what they mean to be primary, we must understand them, so we discuss it to be sure. When we move along the trails of words with sounds that are certain and not deceptive, we can make things meaningful. We are joined to the wheel of awareness from the primordial and contemplate awareness through the intentions in what is spoken. On the mound of precious jewels that is reflective awareness, we use the lamp of awareness that is deceptive words to see the hill that is a house of treasure, and without our seeking it, our fruition is evident. This analogy, in which three ends are evident, is not to be seen through the visions of our cravings. It is described to resemble the density of darkness. There is no discontinuity in its play. This is described to resemble the ripples on water. Its clarity and evenness do not mix. It is not connected to equanimity. This is described to resemble the rising of the sun. These are the analogies for the playfulness of the three embodiments. It has no part in holding on to any essence that might subdue and pervade. This is described as the embodiment of the Dharma, the spaciousness of the sky. The embodiment of perfection is beautiful. It is pervasive and totally transparent. It is described as resembling the shining of 100,000 suns. Manifest embodiment abides in all things, without causing them or engaging in them. This is described as resembling the rays of the sun. We analyze this heart essence that has been spontaneously formed since the primordial with the conceptions of our intellects. This is described as resembling clouds and mist. All of these have the single flavor of wisdom, which is described to resemble the ocean with its salt. As you see, they are to be understood in non-duality, so the genuine acquisition of a source on the great perfection is described to resemble hearing the moon. Our practice of what is meaningful may be definite or indefinite. Our thoughts about giving things up and taking them on are like stars.